لي راسك ملي كرتوش تاع الامبريمونت ديالك مع خزان الحبر تاع الطابعة الجديدة كانون بيكسما جي سيريز تقدر تمبريمي 12000 ورقة بأقل من 2 دينار للطبع. موجود في شبكة توزيع صابي سيستمز. يقدم لكم هذا البرنامج بمساهمة ديزاد ديجيتال سكول. يقدم لكم هذا البرنامج بمساهمة صابي سيستمز.
Hello everyone, I'm your teacher Mr. Michat Boujama. I'm here in Oustadi program. I'm going to present you a simple back exam concerning the LPH stream. Okay, so let's start our subject. Okay, the part one, each subject consists of 2 parts. Part number 1, which is reading. Part number 2, which is written expression, which is about 5. Okay, here read the text carefully, then do the activities that follow. As everyone is aware, the law in most countries nowadays demands that all children receive an education. However, did you know that a number of parents make special arrangements to educate their children at home? This happens mainly in cases where the child has serious health problems or learning difficulties, or is especially gifted. Whatever the reason, there are certainly some advantages to educating children at home. First, they can learn at their own speed, spending more time on the subject which they find difficult. What is more, it's easier for the children to concentrate since they don't have the distraction of noisy classmates. Finally, they learn more in one-to-one situation as they get the full attention of the teacher. On the other hand, learning at home isn't without major drawbacks. Listen to me, when we say drawbacks, which means disadvantages. Okay, for one thing, children who don't go to school lack experience at making friends with other children. As a result, they don't learn the social skills needed in later life. Moreover, they are less motivated to work hard because they have no one to compare their progress with and to compete against them. All things considered, I firmly, listen to me, concentrate on I firmly believe that children should go to school. Education isn't only a matter of learning facts and figures. Children also need to learn how to get along with others and to develop their personalities. I feel they can only do this by mixing with other children in school environment. Okay, this is our text. There is one important thing we should focus on, which is adapted from Virginia Evans and Jenny Dolly's Reading and Writing, targets level 3, page 40. Okay, now we move to part A concerning reading, which is comprehension. When we say comprehension, which means we are talking about everything related to the text. Number 1, the text is a web article, an extract from a book, or a newspaper article. Now, second one, which is say whether these statements are true or false according to the text. You have to learn the text, concentrate on the keywords, then when you move to this activity, you will have no problem in solving them. Number 1, the law in most countries gives children the right to be educated. B, educating children at home has many advantages. C, children who are educated at home are good at social skills. D, the author believes that it's better to educate children at home. This is the second one, which is about true false sentences. Now we move to the next one, answering questions according to the text. Look here, according to the text. Okay, always when you ask here, never, when you answer, never answer from your background information. Ask about or through the text. Number one, why do some parents make special arrangements to educate their children at home? B, list, which means give a list. List. 2, drawbacks of educating children at home. C, is the author for or against educating children at home? Okay. Number 4, in which paragraph is it mentioned that it is necessary for children to go to school? Here we mention just the number of the paragraph. 5, what or who do the underlined words in the text refer to? We have A, there, they, paragraph 2, here, there, paragraph number 1, they, paragraph number 2, and I, paragraph number 4. Okay, now second step, which is about text exploration, grammar, phonetics, etc. Okay, it's about 8 points. Question number 1, or activity number 1, find the text words which are close in meaning to the following. When we say close, which means they have nearly the same meaning. Look, A, talented, paragraph number 1. B, disturbance, paragraph number 2. C, abilities, paragraph number 3. Now we move to the second activity, which is complete sentence B so that it means the same as sentence A. Here you have to concentrate on grammar, right? Okay, number 1. Children learn social skills at school. Okay. B, social skills. Concentrate here, right? Okay, second sentence. If your children go to school, they will learn social skills unless. Okay, here we have what? Unless. Okay, number 3. Classify the following words in the table according to the number of their syllables. Here we are dealing with number of syllables. Number. When we say number, which means you have to give us what? Number. Good. You have difficulty, school, classmates, and concentrate. Okay, these words you put them or you classify them here in the table. For example, you have a word, 1 syllable, put it here. A word with 2 syllables, etc. Okay, till number 4. Now, activity number 4, reorder. Look, we have this word, order. And when we say reorder, which means for the second time, okay, the following sentences to get a coherent paragraph. When we say coherent paragraph, which means a correct paragraph. These are the sentences. Okay, A, they also say that most parents aren't qualified to teach their children. Sentence B, difficult to mix with other people in adult life. C, however, critics say that homeschoolers might find it. D, homeschooling is often more interesting than regular school. Okay, so we have finished with part number 1, comprehension and text exploration. Now we move to part number 2, which is written expression. Is about 5 points. Here, choose one of the following topics. Look, choose one. Always in written expression we have 2 topics. Topic number 1, which is guided, and topic number 2, which is free. Okay, number 1. Topic 1, educating children at home is not sufficient to prepare them for life. This is why children need to go to school in order to be able to face the challenges of life. Okay, now what is the instruction? Look, use the following notes to write an argumentative essay supporting that point of view. These are the points. Okay, number 1, school teaches discipline, punctuality, respect. Second point, children face the real world at school, make friends, learn social skills. Third point, children become motivated to work hard, benefit from competition. Okay, this is Okay, these are the 3 points. Now we move to topic number 2. Listen to me. Topic number 2 is free. When we say free, which means someone who has got, okay, big background, okay, about what language, English vocabularies. Here, write an expository essay of about 80 to 100 words to explain the causes and consequences of child labor. Okay, so here, okay, here this is our subject. Okay, we'll be back after the break to look for the answers. Thank you very much. Welcome back. Okay, now we move to the answers. Okay, part number 1, which is comprehension. Okay, the text is, listen to me, always when we say the text is, all right, let's concentrate on the source of the text. Look here. Adapted from. This sentence, okay, is written, okay, down or after the text. Look, Virginia Evans and Ginny Dolly's reading and writing targets. Okay, level 3, page what? 40. Look, when we say page 40, which means here we are talking about what? A book. Okay, so here it is an extract from a book, which means this text is like a page was taken from a book. Now we move to the second one. Okay, say whether these statements are true or false. Sentence number 1. The law in most countries gives children the right to be educated. Listen to me. Concerning this activity, first you have to learn the text carefully. Concentrate on the key words, the most important keywords, okay? Because these keywords will help you to understand first the text. Secondly, will help you in answering this activity. Okay, the law in most countries gives, look, gives children the right to be educated. Okay, let's go back to our text. Look here. As everyone is aware, the law in most countries nowadays, which means these days, okay, demands that all children receive what? An education. Look here. Most countries nowadays, okay, first, law, all right, law, all right. Here, most countries nowadays demands, okay, that all children receive, okay, an education. So the law here is asking, okay, what? Is asking or requesting that children must have an education. So our sentence is what is true. Now we move, okay, we move to the second, okay, to the second sentence. Look here. Educating children at home has many, look, it is written, okay, here in bold, okay, many advantages. All right, okay, let's go back to the text here. Look, there are certainly, look, some advantages to educating children at home. In the text is written many, and our sentence, our sentence, okay, we have many, but in the text, the writer wrote some. There is a difference between some and many. Okay, so the sentence here is what? Is false. Good. Now, let's move, okay, to the third sentence. Children who are educated at home are good. Are what? Are good at social skills. All right. Okay. Look here. Children who don't go to school. Look. Children who what? Who don't go to school lack experience. Lack. Okay. Lack experience at making friends with other children. As a result, they don't learn. Look here. they don't learn the social skills needed in later life. Moreover, they are less motivated to work hard because they have no one to compare their progress with, to compete against. Look here, what do we have? Children who are educated are what? Are good. And here what? They don't learn. So the sentence is what? Is false here. Okay, moving to the other sentence. Wait a minute, I have to clean the board. All right. Okay, sentence D. The author believes that it's better to educate children at home. Believes, okay? This is his belief. Look, I don't know, look here. The author, all right? All things considered, I firmly, look here, I firmly believe, children should go to school. Education is not, etc. So, look here. It's better, which means it's good to educate children what? At home. But here, what did he say? He said, I firmly believe that children should go to school, not home, to school. So the sentence is, is what? Is false. Now, all right. Okay, now let's move to the other, question or other activity, sorry. Answer the following questions according to the text. Okay, question number 1. Why do some parents make special arrangements to educate their children at home? Listen, concerning questions here, we have two kinds, WH question and yes no question. In WH question we can find what, where, who, how, why, and which. And concerning yes no question we have modals. We have 20 modals. We have do, first, do, did, does, is, are, can, could, shall, should, and then may. And for example, we have must and have to, has to. All these, need what? Need a short question. A short question, which means yes or no. But the WH question needs what? Needs a long answer. Let's carry on. Look, did you know that a number of parents make special arrangements to educate their children at home? This happens mainly in cases where the child has serious health problems or learning difficulties or is especially gifted. This is the extract from the paragraph concerning our question here. So look, why do some parents make special arrangements to educate their children? Here are the reasons. Here are the reasons why do these parents teach their children at home. Here, which means the cases where the child has serious health problems, or learning difficulties, or is especially what? Gifted. These are the reasons why these parents teach their children at home. All right. So this is the answer. Look here. Some parents make special arrangements to educate their children at home mainly in cases where the child has serious health problems, learning difficulties, or especially gifted. Now we move to the second list. 2 drawbacks of educating children at home. 2 drawbacks of educating children at home. Before answering, we have to go to what? To our paragraph. For one thing, children who don't go to school. Look, don't go to school. Look here, don't go to school. Lack experience at making friends, with other children. This is number 1. As a result, they don't learn the social skills needed in later life. Moreover, they are less motivated to work hard. Here we have 3. We have 3, but in the text, in the subject, they have asked us just to have what? 2. Number 1 And here we have what? We have chosen the two. Okay, number one here and the second one is there. So we say we write here, okay, in answering, right, number one, lack experience at making friends with other children, and they are less motivated to work hard. Okay, this is concerning what? Concerning question number, okay, 2. Now, is the author for or against educating children at home? Look here. We have auxiliary to be, is. Okay, so the answer should be yes or no. Okay, and also your answer should be with the same auxiliary given to you. Look, is the author for or against? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go back to the text. All things considered, I firmly believe. Look, I firmly believe that, okay, children should go to school. Okay, so here, okay, the writer believes that children must, have to, should go to school. So the author is against. Is what? Is against educating children at home. All right. This is the activity. Now we move to the other one. In which paragraph is it mentioned that? Look, it is necessary for children to go to school. All right. Look, I firmly believe that children should go to school. Education is not only a matter of learning facts, figures, okay, etc. Look at this sentence. I firmly believe that children should go to school. Listen to me. What is my key word? How did I know that this sentence is mentioned in this paragraph? Because I have this word, should, expresses advice or something which is necessary, okay? Look here, should. All right, so our sentence is mentioned in paragraph number what? Number 4. Good. All right, now let's move, okay? Reference words. We have the first one, there. Listen to me. Concerning the reference word, you have to concentrate, okay? Because if they give you a singular one, you have to find a singular word. If they give you something plural, okay, or a word that expresses something plural, okay, you have to find something, okay, a word which is plural.
هني راسك ملي كرتوش تاع الامبريمونت ديالك مع خزان الحبر تاع الطابعة الجديدة كانون بيكسما جي سيريز تقدر تمبريمي 12000 ورقة بأقل من 2 دينار للطبع. موجود في شبكة توزيع صابي سيستمز.
Okay, now the second word, they, in paragraph number 2. Okay, what is more, it's easier for the children to concentrate since they don't have the distraction of noisy classmates. Listen to me, they, here, we use this pronoun, they, just to avoid repetition, they. And this pronoun, okay, is about a plural word or noun. Look here, they, who, always we must go back to the sentence. What is more, it's easier for the children to concentrate. Okay, so it refers to children. Now the next one, CI. Okay, in paragraph number 4, and to develop their personalities, I feel they can only do this by mixing with other. Listen to me. This pronoun I, do we have any person here in the paragraph? No one. Just only one person who is talking about himself, who is expressing his point of view. Look, I, which means the author. Okay, so here because only one person or the writer is talking about himself, expressing his opinion. All right, thank you very much for now. Okay, see you after the break for the second one. Okay, hello again. Okay, now we move to the second part, which is text exploration. Number one, find a text word which are close in meaning to the following. First one, talented. Okay, look here. This is an adjective, talented, in paragraph number one. Always when they give you an adjective, you have to look for an adjective. If they give you a verb, you have to look for a verb. If they give you a noun, you have to look for a noun. If they give you an adverb, also you have to look for an adverb. So talented, paragraph number one, which is gifted. The second one, disturbance. This is a noun, disturbance. Okay, so we have what? Distraction. See, abilities. Look, abilities, also a noun, is what in the plural. So our word, okay, skills, also in the plural. So they have, or they are in the same category. Now we move to the second activity, which is complete sentence B, so that it means like as sentence A given to you. The first sentence is, children learn social skills at school. Look, they have given you social skills. They have started with a sentence which was, with a word, sorry, which was given to you. Look, social skills. Always when they give you a sentence, okay, second sentence, starting with the third part in a simple sentence, which is object. Here, this is subject, verb, and object. Here in this activity, they are asking you to change the sentence from active form to what? To passive form. So we say social skills, okay, are learned by what? By children at school. Why did we use are? Because our verb here in the active sentence is in the present simple. Now we move to the second sentence. Okay, now we move to the second sentence. Okay, if your children go to school, they will learn social skills. We have endless. Okay, as we know that endless expresses conditional type number one, which consists or which contains the present simple then the future simple. So our sentence is like that. Unless your children go to school, they will not learn social skills. Okay, now we move to the other activity, which is okay, classify the following words according to the number of their syllables. So we have some words, we classify them in a symbol table. Okay, the first one, we have difficulty, school, classmates, and concentrate. And this is the table. Before classifying them, we have to count their syllables. The first one, difficulty, difficulty, okay? It contains 4 syllables. The second one, school, very short word, school, okay? Sorry, here we can say 1 syllable. Classmate, classmate, 2 syllables. Then the last one, concentrate, okay, is about 3 syllables. Okay, now we move to reorder the following sentences to get a coherent paragraph. We have sentences. These sentences are jumbled, are not in the right order. We reorder them to form a good paragraph. Number 1 is D, number 2 is C, 3 is B, and 4 is A. And the last sentence, okay, is A, which is number 4. All right, okay, so we'll be back. Okay, here we have finished text exploration. We'll be back after the break to check written expression. Part 2, written expression, okay. In the paragraph, okay, has 3 main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, it can be introducing the topic by giving a general idea. Second one, the body. In the body, we can have developing the general idea using supporting sentences throughout or through paragraphs. Second one, we can give illustrations, examples, okay, or arguments. In the conclusion, okay, it depends on you. How do you like it? For example, it can be an advice, a point of view, it can be an opinion, it can be a solution, or it can be a result. I have prepared you, okay, a sample of a short paragraph concerning topic number 1. Let's check it. Okay, life is hard and difficult for our children. They should be competent and well educated, since they are the future of our nation. Facing this, children need to contact each other, know as much people as they can, and they cannot find this anywhere but at school. This is the short introduction. Now we move to the body. As far as school is concerned, we all know that it teaches discipline, so the child feels that he should respect some rules. Thus to say, there are some obligations, prohibitions. Also, it teaches him punctuality, respect. So far, it means the child has to be on time, do his duties, and he will learn how to respect others and their opinions. In addition, school is considered as a small world where children can face it through making new friends, learning social skills, and how to distinguish between the bad and the good. Another aspect which proves that schools are inevitable to form children for life is that they become motivated to work hard and to be the best among their classmates through exams they have each term, as they benefit from the competitions included during the academic year. Now, conclusion, very small. To conclude, educating children at school is a great opportunity to help them get prepared for life and make it easier to be faced. Okay, this is our subject, this is our correction. Thank you very much for watching us. I wish you the best and good luck for your back exam.
قدم لكم هذا البرنامج بمساهمة صابي سيستمز. قدم لكم هذا البرنامج بمساهمة ديزاد ديجيتال سكول. هني راسك ملي كرتوش تاع الامبريمونت ديالك مع خزان الحبر تاع الطابعة الجديدة كانون بيكسما جي سيريز تقدر تمبريمي 12,000 ورقة بأقل من 2 دينار للطبع. موجود في شبكة توزيع صابي سيستمز.